$170, baby. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Charlene, for those of you who don't know, and for those of you who've been riding with me for a while, thank you so much for stopping by. Today I am doing a first impression slash unboxing. A few months ago I mentioned this fragrance. It was on my over-the-top perfume wish list, and I have been looking all over the internet because, honey, I am not about to pay what this actually costs. So I've looked everywhere for this to get a deal that was fair, to get a deal that was not ridiculous, and the price tag was not over the top. So anyway, as you can tell by the title, yes, so I got Intensecafe by Montale, and y'all, I am so excited. So I've been looking for like my perfect coffee fragrance just because I'm a coffee addict. I drink coffee every day. I love it. You may or may not already know this. And I tried, I have Black Opium. I have the Only One by Dolce & Gabbana. Those have coffee in them, but it's not like the perfect coffee note. So a couple people told me that this one is not heavy on the coffee either. So I was still very curious about this. I wanted to try it out. I wanted to get my hands on it. I've been fascinated by it. The first person on YouTube that I ever looked at who talked about this was Mila LeBlanc. She definitely thinks highly of it. And then a couple other people in the fragrance community as well. We've talked about this and I had to get my hands on it. I just had to. Intensecafe by Montale is going straight from my over-the-top wish list to my vanity, and I am super excited. Now, am I going to love it? I hope so. I know that some of y'all think like blind buying fragrances is absolutely crazy, and honestly, I feel like for the regular person who's not reviewing fragrances or who's not collecting them or who's not interested in them will find it ridiculous, and they'll be right. Based on the notes, you kind of know like what it is that you want, what it is that you like, and you tend to gravitate towards. So for me, a lot of my fragrances will be very warm. I also appreciate some very fresh and clean fragrances. And this one I feel like will fall on the warm and cozy. So I have the notes pulled up here, and the top note is rose. So I've heard that the rose is kind of prominent. We'll find out. Then we have the middle notes. The middle notes are rose and coffee. The base notes are amber, vanilla, and musk. Now you guys know how I feel about vanilla. There's no patchouli in this one. So I'm gonna test it out on a strip of paper. Then I'm gonna test it out on my skin as well. And then just give you guys like my thoughts, my initial impression, how I'm feeling about it, if I like it, if I don't at first impression. I'm also gonna follow up with this and do a full day wear test just to get the full effect on it, and then I can speak like from first impression to full day wear test, if that makes sense. There will be a part 2 of this video just because I feel like sometimes I do the first impressions and like I probably don't update you guys until I'm doing like a certain type of video. So yeah, anyway, let's open this up and find out what's in it. Even before I open this, I already know what the packaging looks like. Some people don't like the packaging, some people like it. I personally, I don't think I'm gonna mind it, but let's find out. Oh, I got the 3.4 fluid ounce or the 100 ml bottle. I'm really excited about that because like I said, the price I got it for, baby girl, cheap. Well, much more affordable than the original price. So I'm searching this up on Bloomingdale's right now, and it is $170. Yeah. So anyway, this is what it looks like. I personally like this. I think it is so unique, so different. I'm here for it. The 100 ml kind of looks a little smaller than I was expecting. I don't know why I thought it was gonna be so big. Oh, by the way, did I mention that it came in this beautiful bag? I mean, presentation. To open it up, it's almost like that Valentino bottle. You pull this up, this locks it pretty much, and then this is basically how you unlock it. I love the design on there. So you have MTL for Montale right here. I think that's really cute. I think I'm like stalling because what if I don't like it? What if I don't like it? Oh my god. Okay, let's just do it, okay? Let's just do it. Here goes nothing. Oh, she's new. Okay, so initially, the first burst of it is rose, y'all. Oh, the first burst of it is immediately rose, but it's a very pretty rose. It's not an obnoxious, like artificial smelling rose. It's a very pretty rose. Oh, nice. So yeah, I'm not getting the coffee yet, but it's drying down and some of the warmth is definitely coming from there. Oh, it's very pretty. I I am already happy because I like what I smell. Oh my gosh. It is described as a floral gourmand from the rose, the coffee, the vanilla. Okay, I am excited. It's a pretty beautiful rose. I cannot emphasize enough how pretty it is. Okay, so I'm gonna let this sit for a while, for a little bit on the strip, and I'm gonna test it out on my skin because I feel like that is the real test. Directly on the skin. Yeah, I'm here for the packaging. People don't like it, I like it. It's a little loud and maybe not so travel friendly, but it's cute. It's so unique. Oh, ooh, on my skin I smell the coffee. Okay. Oh, yes, yes. Oh, yes, y'all. Oh, I'm so excited. On my skin, oh my gosh. I smell the coffee. I do. I do. It's not intense, but it's there. It's not the first thing that hits you though, but it's there. So on my skin, it's like a recently brewed cup of coffee, but like with a lot of cream. I feel like it's creamy on my skin. Not so much on here, it's more floral. I feel like sometimes you just cannot make an instantaneous decision about a scent because on different things, on different people, they react so differently. And this is exactly what's happening right before our eyes. It's warm, like something I would drink out of Starbucks, with a lot of cream. The vanilla is not heavy to me. I can tell that there's a warmth to it, and that would make sense. As for the lasting power, ooh. So now a few minutes later, like the rose it's there, but not so strong. I definitely need to follow up with a full day wear test on this because now I am super intrigued. From the initial spray, rose, all rose, on this strip of paper, warmth, more coffee, a lot of cream actually, and then I like it. I love it on my skin. As to how it's gonna perform, as to how it is gonna react throughout the duration of the day, the duration of the wear, I do not know, but I like it. First impressions, I like it. I am not like head over heels just yet, like I was when you guys saw me unbox my Mugler Angel Muse. Like I was having a moment on that one. This one I like a lot. I do appreciate the packaging, which is different. I don't think it's cheesy at all, but to each his own, you know what I mean? I love that. It reminds me so much of the Valentino bottles. I think it's just unique. So unique. It's like it just looks like a hairspray. but in the best way. So my first impression summary about intensecafe Eau de Parfum by Montale is that I like it a lot. Well, I shouldn't be surprised that the first initial scent that I get is rose because that is the top note according to the description and details of it. On the strip of paper that was my very first spray and first impression, the rose hits me right off the bat. It's a pretty rose. It does not smell artificial at all. Very pretty. On my skin, I get the gourmand, the warmth, The creaminess, the mixture of the amber, vanilla, and musk in the base gives it that creamy factor, you know? So this would be like a nice warm drink on a fall or winter night, I feel like. Now, is it daytime appropriate? I mean, if it's super cold, I feel like it would be perfect. And it would definitely, I expect it to blossom even more so at night. Um, I feel like this is more suited for the cooler months, honestly. I don't see myself wearing this during the summer. It's really warm. The coffee and the rose are just now blending, and it is spectacular. These are my thoughts. These are my first impressions on Intense Cafe by Montale. I am so excited to have this. She was on my radar for a while and I finally got her. So I am excited. Is the 3.4, I don't know why I thought it was gonna be so like bulky or bigger, but it's very compact and cute and I like it. It just looks bigger, I guess, on the websites. It just looks like you're gonna get a way bigger bottle. So this is my first Montale fragrance ever, and they did not disappoint. I am liking it, strongly liking it so far. I will do the full day wear test, so we will have part 2 of Intense Cafe. And let me know what you guys think about this video. Have you tried any of Montale's fragrances? If you have, which one do you like, which ones don't you like? Let's talk all about it in the comment section below. And that is it for tonight. I will see you guys in my next video. Oh, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.